Hello, my name is Jason Richards. I'm the Regional Sales Manager in Ontario, Canada for Xylem, Bell & Gossett. Today we're displaying the Hydrovar X Smart Pump series pumps. In particular, this is a vertical inline. They're called ADSC. It's a split couple pump. Comes with a Xylem motor, ultra efficient motor, and a Xylem drive. It's mounted to a vertical inline split couple pump. The split couple pump is widely used in a lot of applications where maintenance people want to remove the shroud area and literally repair the pump if need be to get at it. Ease of maintenance, time shared, and back up and running again. You can access the seal, everything's inside. It's protected by a guard for safety reasons when it's operating. The drive, you can have multiple points in the back for electrical connection, obviously, and temperature control. So there's a lot of feedback, RS-485 jacks and so forth that come back into it. The frame is a NEMA frame, so it's standard frame sizes for all motors. And you can, in some cases, or actually in all cases, you can use an existing pump in the field and mount this motor and drive on removing an older induction motor and fitting that in the field, or obviously buy a new pump. Little pumps like this are typically used in school heating and cooling systems. They're used in small commercial buildings, medium-sized. They're used in condos, residential condos, for certain loops in the system. The Hydrovar X series also enables itself in our base mounted pumps over here and behind here, and our end suction closed couple pumps. So this drive and motor setup is universal to a fairly wide range of our products that we have here today.